Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Times are so crazy, I just need a distraction. So today I'm going to be making chili garlic chicken, a keto version. I'm starting with about 2 pounds of cubed chicken breast. If you have chicken leg meat, chicken thigh meat, that'll be great. So I have a half of diced onion, 1 chopped bell pepper. I have this chili garlic seasoning. It's a paste. And I have some pink salt, some garlic, some sugar-free or no sugar added ketchup. And my fat for this is going to be avocado oil, which I don't have pictured, and this ghee that I got from Costco. It's a humongous container. So, of course, I'm going to need some black pepper, and I'm going to be using liquid aminos. Some people use soy sauce. I don't use soy sauce. And off camera, I do have some green onions. So I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken with everything. So that was the black pepper. Here's the salt. You can season this to taste. I'm using 2 tablespoons of garlic, the one from the container, 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos. I ended up using about a 1/4 cup of the ketchup. Right here, you only see me put in 2 tablespoons, but I'll add more later on as the chicken is cooking. I have 1 tablespoon of the chili garlic paste, and I have here some ginger that I dehydrated by myself, ground it up. I'm using 2 pinches of that for a little contrast. You don't have to use it. So now I'm going to mix everything together with a spoon. I was going to use my hands, but I figured this would be less messy even while wearing gloves. I'm all like, nah, I don't want to touch it. So, how have you guys been doing lately? Comment in the comments. So for color, I'm going to add in some paprika. It doesn't add any taste. And I'm prepping my green onions to put on top of the lettuce wraps. Did I tell you guys I was going to do lettuce wraps? Anyway, I have my avocado oil going in the pan, and this is going to be what I'm going to saute my bell pepper and onions in. So I'm just going to, I wanted to just let these sweat, but as the onions cooked, it just smells so good. I was like, I'm going to cook the chicken and the onions together. So at this point, I see the bell peppers are getting, bright colored. I don't want them to be too mushy. So I just decided to pull them out and put them to the side. I'll add them into the chicken once everything is done. And yes, I'm going to be making lettuce wraps with this chili garlic chicken. So to my onions that was left in the pan, I added some ghee, about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm adding in the seasoned chicken, and I'm just going to saute this for about 12 minutes before I, bother it. I'm just going to let it cook for a little while, then start stirring, and then, once it's done, then it's done. I'm showing you guys the lettuce I'm using. I'm using iceberg. You can use romaine, green leaf, whatever you want. You can use cabbage leaves if you want, but this is what I had on hand. So you see my chicken, it's like halfway cooked. Do not overcook chicken breast. If you do, it will be a rubbery, disgusting mess. So this is what my chicken is looking like. I'm just giving it a stir. It's releasing a lot of juices. I wanted to up the spice level, so I added another 1/2 tablespoon of the chili garlic paste. I added some more paprika, and you see the rest of the ketchup. And I'm just going to give this a stir because it's helping to thicken everything and also give me that color. Because usually with this type of chicken, it's fried and in flour. And obviously we're keto, so we don't fry in flour. So this is a breadless version. So now, once the chicken is basically done, I'm adding back in the bell peppers. And I'm just going to stir this up, let it sit for a while, maybe about 10 minutes. So with the temperature off, so everything can just absorb the liquid and also thicken on its own without adding a thickener. If you wanted more sauce, you can stop it right here. Add in about a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Give it a stir, releasing from the heat. It'll thicken up. But what I'm going to do is just remove this from the heat, let it sit, and this is what it looks like. You know, that sauce, it's nice and thick. Everything has absorbed. My chicken is cooked perfectly. And now we're going to put together our lettuce wraps. It's hot out here, guys, and I'm doing a voiceover. Why? So anyways, I'm taking the lettuce leaf. I'm going to add, it was about 2 ounces per lettuce leaf. You know, I could have like counted up the chunks because everything was cut so uniformly, but I didn't want to figure all that out. But I'm using, I'd say about 2 ounces and like 2 to 3 bell peppers per lettuce wrap. You don't really have to be so precise, but I know a lot of people want to count their macros, so that's what I did. So I put together the first one. Now I'm gonna put together the second one. You guys, this smells so good. I am not lying. Like it was banging. I don't even like spicy foods that much. The most I do is like black pepper. But when I saw this chili garlic paste on my Amazon order, well, it was on Prime Fresh, I was like, I need this. I need it today. So I put in the order, and this, I'm so happy that I did. I'm going to try it with pork. I'm going to try it a lot of different ways because it's basically like sriracha, you know, but you can see more of the chili flakes in it. So here it is, guys. You see that sauce? I'm going to scoop out a little bit of sauce to put on each lettuce wrap. And it really amplified the flavor. You guys, I took some of this chicken and the bell pepper and I put them on a pork rind. It makes a perfect appetizer. I know ain't nobody having no parties right now, but listen, it was a good appetizer. You guys should check out my Instagram page. It's Shay Goes Keto on Instagram. I posted a picture, but these are the final chili garlic chicken lettuce wraps. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're being safe. I want everybody to be blessed. Love you. And thanks for watching. Bye.